Hey, it's Crafty Kitty, and you can't see the top of my head, but that's fine. I am here to do my Spring Easter DIY, which stuff that you could either use from the dollar store or the thrift store or stuff you had in your stash. And this is the items that I didn't show you one time from my thrift store haul. I found these. Now, in a previous video, I had found tea set, a teapot, a creamer, the sugar bowl, and a napkin rings. And I was thinking I had found an extra sugar dish, and I thought, I might turn that into a cake plate kind of thing, but then I decided not to. I thought I'd just keep it. So these were $1.99 from the Value Village that I got. And I have decided I am going to make myself a cake plate that matches my my set, so that I have a cake plate that'll match the teapot and the rest of the set, so then I have it for when I want to have it all together at once. So it did come with 2 lids as well. I haven't quite figured out what to do with the lids, so I might just hold off on these. Maybe I can find something and I can do something else with them, but I'm not quite sure what just yet. So I have my trusty E6000. I did buy a clear plate from Dollar Tree for $1.25. This is a pretty simple DIY. You didn't have to do something that was totally out of craziness, but this is something that I really wanted, so I decided I would do it. So all I'm going to do is take the 2 pieces, and I'm going to, at first I thought maybe I would turn one this way and one this way and then have it like this, but then I realized very quickly that, well, that might actually work. I think I like it that way better. So like this, so that it has a beveled bottom. But then I was also thinking that I could do this. I'm not exactly sure which way I want to go. I don't know which way looks better. But if I go this way, then some of my ladybugs are upside down, which is fine. I might have to get an opinion from my daughter and go from there. Let's try to put ladybugs on each side here. I'm not quite sure which one I like best, because that seems to be pretty sturdy like that, but just as sturdy the other way. Then I get a tapered look this way, so if I take this and I put this on top. Decisions. So, won't actually know what I'm going to be, how I'm going to do this until I do it. So, let's see. Does that shake it? Nope. I'm going to try it the other way and see if I like it that way. Let's see how it looks. Oh, that's kind of rocky. So I'm going to move the camera so you can see. This is what it looks like on the bottom now. Sorry, wrong way. Maybe I should come this side. There we go. So that's one way, but let's change it up. I'm not quite sure. I can't really ask you either because you're not really here, but you can leave your opinion later on after in the comment section. Or this way. And I'm not sure what I like better. I think I like it this way better. So I'm going to do that way. I'm going to leave it down here so you can see what I'm doing. Got the 6,000 out.
I didn't get locked in the bathroom.
And that's my daughter. We're at a hotel tonight. Her and I. It's pretty cool. And, well, Logan, I'm trying to show them what I'm doing here, and it was quicker to do it that way, the other way. No. Oh. Do you like it this way? Or don't know if how stable that is. Or that way.
I see no difference.
She sees no difference. Can't do it that way.
Yeah, you could see.
Can't do it that way. It's not going to stay.
Oh yeah, because of the wigglies, they're all connected together.
They're not really connected together, and
Well,
I don't
once
think it would
you-
stay.
Once you glue it together, it will.
It doesn't match.
Okay, well,
See, it's not going to work. See?
it's fine.
So she's no help.
Just like, no. Flip. Like that.
You like it better this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like each side has a flower.
Cool. Each side has a flower, she says. So let's get the E6000 flowing. Put that out. 1 second. Are we having fun yet listening to me do nothing but talk to you? Alright. Oof, that stuff dinky. Alrighty. Here it comes, folks. It's a coming out. So we're going to go around. Very lightly, because I don't want to have too much stuff coming out the sides with my E6000. Let it sit there for a second. Put that back on. And here we go. Try to get the flowers and the ladybugs to match up. So we're just going to push, 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 push. And we're just going to sit here. Anybody want to just sit here with me for about, 24 hours? No. No? That's fine. I just want to make sure it's secure. So I can put... Now, I'm kind of hoping that the E6000 doesn't show through this clear plate. Because that would look kind of bad. So... push. Just kind of hold it in spot for just a little bit. So there's one. And I can't show you the rest of the set with it right now because it's that time and I'm here. So... I'm just gonna eyeball this. Make sure it's on straight. Well, it's on straight now, but you know, by the time you pick it up, put it back, is it straight? Who knows? Does it look straight? Look straight down. Tell me if it looks straight.
No.
No? It's straight now? Can't see me. About there?
That's uneven now.
No, it's okay. Never mind.
No, I see it. Oh.
Never mind.
I
We'll
had
figure
it.
this all out. It doesn't matter. I still gotta glue the plate down.
Oh.
We're just trying to get as close as we can. I'm just gonna put it on each little...
My shirt has
Knobby
longer
thing.
words. I'm gonna tuck it in. No longer words.
Thank you for hiding your shirt from my viewers. I appreciate it. Where's that little knobby thing? Alrighty. So I think I got all the knobs. Ha! Knobs. Here we go. Let's see. Right there.
No, that's uneven. I can tell this side's bigger than that one.
Well, that's not good. Oh well. That'll do.
Wi-Fi.
That's all we got. Eh. Wah, wah, wah. Can you see my? It's like its own filter. Wah, wah, wah. I like that. That's cute. Ooh. It's almost as if I have a filter from my phone in the video, but it's just a plate. Alright, I'm not playing around with that. I'm just going to set this over here. I'm going to show you the whole thing. I'll move you around, slide you around, and there it is. Is that not cool? So now I have a cake plate that matches my Ladybug teapot. And actually, a friend of mine found another teapot, and she's giving that to me as well. So there is my cake plate. Thank you for everybody who has joined my collab. I will be creating a playlist. I'm going to put you over here on the plate. There we go. I'm going to be creating a playlist. It'll be linked down below. If you'd like to add your video to it, you'll be able to add a video to it yourself. If you can't add it, just let me know and I'll add it for you. So once again, thank you everybody. Thank you for joining me. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell so you know when I've uploaded new content to my channel. Also, please remember to hit the bell for everybody who has participated in this collab or challenge. I can't remember. Either or, challenge, collab. Ring the bell on their accounts too, because the ladies and people channels that participate are awesome, and I think you'll enjoy them. So thank you for watching, and let's all get crafty. Bye bye.